how to remove Peugeot 2.8 heater AC control panel. On either side there's these little covers that have hidden screws behind them. You'll need to remove these covers, and underneath there'll be one Torx screw on each side. I believe they are T20 Torx, and you'll need to do this for both of these little covers on either side. Once these are removed, the thing that holds it in place are clips. These can get very stuck. I'd recommend using a plastic tool. Do not use a flathead metal screwdriver, as you can damage the body or the panel, and you have to use a bit of force and then it'll come out. I didn't have the exact model that had the digital climate type. I had a manual one, so I couldn't show unplugging, but all you need to do is unplug. These are the clips that hold the panel in place after the Torx screws are removed. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.